Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox crucial SSD. This is 2 terabytes. This is the model BX500. Here we have the full model. This is how the box looks like. This is an old type of SSD, 2.5 inch SSD, SATA. It connects like a hard drive with a SATA connector. Now we're going to open it and then we're going to install it. They have serial number here, model number. So as you can see, this one is just like hard drives, just like 2.5 laptop hard drives. This is for SATA connector, this is for power. It also comes with a manual. It has over here a new type of SSD and this one that we installed. This is 1 terabyte Samsung. Actually, we found here another SSD connector, so we can have connected everything. Newer type SSD, then another SSD, and our DVD drive. I found the power as well, so we make sure we connected the right side. This over here, same as this. That's it, and I'm gonna leave it like this over here. It's gonna be fine. To initialize the drive, we type here computer management, and it gets us here. And over here, what we need is disk management. After you get to disk management, you format it. So we have 2 terabyte SSD, have NTFS. The real storage is 1863. Well, we can go to this PC and we can see this over here. This is our old one, 1 terabyte. This is our new one, 2 terabyte.